In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send follow-up emails after form submissions in HubSpot. Now, automating your responses to form submissions is a fantastic way to keep your prospective customers engaged without having to manually send emails each time. So let's dive in and walk through these simple steps to get your follow-up emails up and running. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your HubSpot account. Once you're in, head over to the section appropriately labeled Trial Guide for Sales Hub Professional. This is where you'll find a comprehensive set of tools perfectly suited for managing your sales processes, including form submissions. Next up, you'll want to click on the Marketing tab. This area is where you'll manage all your marketing assets and activities. It's your centralized hub for everything from email campaigns to automation workflows. Clicking on this will reveal a whole suite of marketing options, focusing particularly on the forms, which is our next stop. Once you're in the marketing section, locate and click on Forms to view a list of all your forms. This is essentially the backbone where your form data and submissions gather. Here, you'll want to pinpoint the specific form for which you desire to set up an automatic follow-up email. Now, once you have identified your form, click on the Edit option. This takes you into the form editor where you can modify and customize the details of your form. While in edit mode, you'll notice an option for automation. Click on this as it will lead you to setting up the follow-up email process. After clicking on automation, you will find an option named Create this workflow. Click on it to start crafting the actual workflow. In HubSpot, workflows are the automation blueprints that define what happens when someone submits your form, including the follow-up emails you want to be sent out. Once you've initiated the workflow creation, you might see options highlighted within the interface. Click on these highlighted areas, as they typically guide you through selecting email templates, editing the email content, and configuring other necessary settings for your follow-up communication. Each of these steps will make sure that you have a fully functional email automation in place, ensuring that your leads receive timely responses, hence maintaining a smooth communication flow. Remember, follow-up emails can significantly enhance your relationship with prospective customers, so having them set up correctly is incredibly beneficial. That's it for today's guide. With these easy steps, you can have your HubSpot forms trigger follow-up emails automatically, saving time and maintaining engagement with your leads. Thanks for joining, and happy automating!